decision making. When do you stay? When do you leave? When do you say yes? When do you say no? Well, there are fundamentally two platforms that enable healthy decision making. Number one is reasoning. You invest time in thinking about it. You analyze the data, the facts, the stats, the previous incidences, the anticipation, and it's all logic based. And then the other factor is intuition. That means taking the time to connect with your heart. The heart knows, and you have to be willing to trust that. And maybe the way to optimize decision making is a healthy combination of both. Listen to your intuition and then maybe take an element of reasoning to see if the reasoning validates, backs up your intuition. But ultimately, in the last 5 to 10 years, decision making has been driven by my intuition. Now you have to ask yourself the question, how do you know it's intuition? Well, that's when you slow down your thoughts, you slow down your breathing, and you allow yourself to connect with your inner voice. Again, going back to the heart. And your intuition comes from a place of calm and a place of clarity. It doesn't come from a place of panic. It doesn't come from a place of fear or urgency. That's how you know it's your intuition.